औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं यहाँ पर एज़ ख़ादिम, जो यहाँ पर बग़ैर किसी पैसे के, बग़ैर किसी ज़बरदस्ती यहाँ पर जो खिदमत कर रहे हैं अपने। जब मैंने इनसे थोड़ी बात की तो माशाल्लाह से भाई इंग्लिश भी बहुत अच्छी बोलते हैं, तो हम उनसे थोड़ा सी इंग्लिश में बात भी करते हैं। आप लोगों को मैं इंट्रो दे रहा हूँ उर्दू में, लेकिन हम इनसे बात करेंगे इंग्लिश में। मुझे हैरानगी हो रही है कि ईरान के अंदर बहुत कम लोगों को इंग्लिश आती है, जिनमें से ये एक हैं। अब ये क्यों, कैसे इंग्लिश जानते हैं और क्यों जानते हैं, आए इनसे जानते हैं। और ये हरम है इमाम अहमद बिन इमाम मूसा काज़िम में यहाँ पर खिदमत अंजाम दे रहे हैं, सुबह 6 से लेकर दिन के 10 बजे तक। इनकी 4 घंटे ड्यूटी दे रहे हैं। इनसे पूछते हैं कि कैसा इनका यहाँ पर सफ़र रहा और क्या इनकी हिस्ट्री है और ये क्या करते थे। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Tell about my viewers, say about your personality, and you come from which parts in Iran, and what you are doing in before and now.
I have been in Air Force before. Now I am Khadim Shiraaz.
Yeah. And how many years you will be doing working in the Air Force?
30 years old. 30 years. 30 years.
MashaAllah, you will be doing 30 years. And what about this place, this ziyarat? Tell me about this place.
Here is the shrine of Shah Chiragh.
Yeah, Shah Chiragh. And what the message you give to the people come to hear Shah Chiragh?
I invite all of the Muslims and Shia come to visit the Shah Chiragh, the great son of Imam Reza alayhi salam.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. And tell me about in here 2-time attacks. Then I will post the video in the YouTube. Then he will be restricts my video, and I'm thankful to the Imam Ahmad bin Musa that my channel is very grow. Then after this video he delete, my channel is very grow. So I am very thankful to the Imam Ahmad bin Shiraaz, Ahmad bin Musa Kazim. They will be bring my channel to grow, and I'm inshallah always dua here. I'm not attending first time I'm here, but my ruh always here. You know, I'm Ruhani Ziyarat, always doing Ruhani Ziyarat here. But I'm thinking I always coming here. I first see the shrine. I'm thinking before I also come too much, but in real I'm coming here first time. So I very good discussion with my friends. I think I forget his name. What's Raza? Your name?
My name Nasir.
Nasir. Oh, Nasir. Inshallah, I'm meet Nasir here. They will be mashallah frequently speak English. They will be doing joined Air Force, and they will be 30 years served his life, and his life now is serve his life in the shrine of the Imam Musa Kazim son. So I am very happy, you know, about Ahmad ibn Musa.
Ahmad ibn Musa al-Kazim.
Yeah.
Shrine of.
Yeah, but in Pakistan and the many countries they changed the name. You know, in here fourth Imam here say Imam Sajjad, but in Pakistan they don't know about Sajjad. They call Zainul Abidin. Zainul Abidin. Then also in Bibi Sakina.
Ali ibn al-Hussein, Zainul Abidin.
Yeah. That and the daughter of the Imam Hussein, Ruqayya. If you go in Pakistan, you say Ruqayya. You don't know about Ruqayya. You say Sakina. This name is Sakina in Pakistan. So many of the Imams and the Ziyaras, his name is changed. You know. So they will be always like this one, Imam Musa Kazim. You what saying? Her name is changed. You know, Imam Muhammad Taqi. You say Imam Jawad here, but in Pakistan you say Jawad. You don't know about Imam Jawad. You say Imam Muhammad Taqi. he know about
Taqi, Naqi.
Taqi Naqi, yeah. But you say in here Imam Hadi. You don't know Imam Hadi in Pakistan, in India. You say Imam Hadi. You don't know about Imam Hadi. He say, yeah. You say Imam al Naqi, they know about Imam al Naqi, Imam Hadi. So it's the difference of the name,
Different, yeah.
Not, but Imam is same, but Aqidah is same, but the people is same. The people or the country or the all thing is the same. So inshallah, hopefully, we will meet here and again, inshallah.
Inshallah. Right.
If you will pray for me, inshallah, I come here again with my family.
You too, yeah.
Now I am coming with my friends. They will be for Noakhani and Ziyarat in Azdari here, night time with Shabake. I don't know what the Shabake name. Inshallah, I bring the video to you and my people, although who will listen, who will sing in my video, all the world. I think you know about my channel viewers in USA. So many USA people views my video in YouTube. I don't know how to, but I'm inshallah making videos in English. This is my fourth video for English. So inshallah I bring more English videos for you for Ziyarat. If you don't know about the language in Urdu, inshallah I make English videos and I will be inshallah speaking more languages inshallah in the videos and I bring more Ziyarat, more ziyarats and more the walk Azdari from Qom, from the Karbala, from the all over the world and Medina, inshallah ta'ala.
Mashhad, Imam Reza.
Yeah, Mashhad always, Mashhad in always. I forget his name, but I'm always, my roh is always, surrounding in the, always in Mashhad, Karbala, and here Shiraaz. Always, my roh is always going to everywhere, but I'm in Qom. My body is in Qom, but my ruh is going always all the way.
All of them are the sons of Imam Musa Kazim.
Yeah, it's four, two daughters and two sons in Iran.
18 son and 19.
No, fourth in here.
No, more than, yeah.
But I will.
Imam Musa Kazim has about 18 sons and 19 daughters. Yeah.
Mashallah. But I will be fourth going here. Fatima in the
Qom.
Nazik Qom.
Well,
Nearby Qom. Fatima. Not this Fatima. Masuma Qom, no. One is nearby Fatima.
yeah.
Like, what city? About 1 hour from the Qom.
Sayyid Mir Muhammad is
This one
over
also?
there, yeah.
They also son?
The next shrine over there is the.
I forget. I missed my mistake. I forget.
When you go outside.
Yeah. In the right side. Yeah.
The right side, yeah.
When I go from here, left side.
Yeah.
But I come from the outside, right side.
Visit over there.
Yeah. Inshallah. So I forget to tell about the Imam Musa Kazim's sons. They have the 18 sons and 19 daughters. In I think the 5 in Iran. This what's the name of the son?
Sayyid Mir Muhammad.
Sayyid Mir Muhammad. Inshallah, we're going to the inside. The Sayyid Mir Muhammad, and you will be sure about him. Inshallah, Imam Musa Kazim.
Mir Muhammad ibn Musa al-Kazim.
Imam Musa Kazim. Yeah. I tell about his.
The third one is Sayyid Hussein ibn Musa al-Kazim.
The other son?
Astane.
Where?
The outside. You should go. You should go to outside and go over there.
Yeah. And near?
Yeah, near. It's near. By walking about 10
10
minutes.
minutes, no problem. Inshallah, I go everywhere.
Yeah.
If 1 hour talking, I will go. In mountain, I will go.
All of them is the sons and daughters of Imam Musa Kazim. They after Imam Reza.
How do they will come in Iran that time?
Come to Iran and they want to
with Imam Reza? He will become with Imam Reza?
They want to go to visit the Imam Reza.
He want to. Mashallah. They will become to Ziyarat from Imam Reza. Then we die in the way.
Happened the fighting.
The people here who is enemy of the
in Shiraaz.
enemy of the Islam, enemy of the Shia.
They have war
Oh.
with the king of Shiraz,
Oh.
and all of them march.
Die. Martyr.
March.
Oh. They will be shaheed in Shiraz. They will fight.
This is reason that the Imam Zade ha اینجا
Too much.
too much.
Ah.
Too much.
The people, the son, the sisters, and the brothers of the Imam Raza, they will be dreamed to come to visit his brother Shrine and his qabr, so for ziyarat. But in the way he fighting too much because that times they have little bit every like Shiraz is now a city, but that time he's the king, the country. You know his king also have Shiraz king. They will be don't accept the people come to inside. So I'm very today is the martyrdom of the day of the Imam Hassan, and today is the day of martyrdom of the Imam Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So I'm very sad today because the last prophet
Yeah, today.
and the second and third Imam, second before, second Imam,
Imam Reza,
not Imam Hassan,
Imam Hassan, second Imam.
second Imam. So the two big people of the Islam is today's peace be upon him and the Imam alayhi salam. Today is went from the is dunya. So
They
I'm
marched. They didn't.
yeah, but
Yeah.
they always live.
All
You know,
of-
they
all-
don't die. They live.
Yeah.
So
All of the Imams marched.
material, yeah.
No die.
No die. Yeah. This is Shahadat is my virsa. You know,
Shahadat,
in
right.
virsa. In Pakistan, say Shahadat is my virsa. Virsa means like that. Imam bring me Shahadat. So I also have dream to in the way of Islam. I will also shaheed. Shahadat. I will get Shahadat. Inshallah, you will be dua for me. I will get Shahadat for Islam. Inshallah Taala.
Every Muslim has hope to martyr. You know,
Yeah.
it's the idea of the Muslims.
Yeah, but not a terrorist. I am not terrorist. We are the jihad for Islam, not the terrorists. The people thinking about the Western media and Western where people, some people don't always be all people. They will be thinking about Islam is for the terrorists, and the Islam is not terrorist. Islam is jihad for his country, for his Islam, for his mother. You know this country is not only country. Country is the like mother.
Yeah.
So always you fight with for mother, and we also fight for mother, and my country, and the country, his country, and my country. Always, you know, the about Shia country, about the, any country. You die for any country. You live in America, and you die for America. I think you get shahadat. Not it's like America is not America is bad. America is not bad. That people of the America is not bad.
Yeah.
People always in the all the world is good, but the governments, the policymakers, and the think tank of the peoples, they are bad. So they will be they have to dream to the rule of the country, all the rule of the country in his hand. The Yahudi, the
Yeah.
people of the Yahudi, you know, the Yahudis have dreamed to. They will be one touch button, then it will be always die like this one, you know.
Today is the I forgot.
You forget? No problem, inshallah. You will be remember nearly, inshallah. In 1 minute, I will about thinking about telling about the terrorists, you know. So in media, show about in Iran and Pakistan is like a terrorist country. You come visit one time. I bring the tickets and I visa. I give to you. You come to here and you see about Islam. You see about the Shia in Iran, in Pakistan also. And we are not have a Taliban. We not have a terrorist people here, and too much happy people. Alhamdulillah, in Pakistan also, in Iran also. I'm living in Iran 6 years. I have no little bit problems in anywhere. I will go anywhere without hesitations, without any take visa. I have visa, student visa. So I will always in all the Iran. I will going back in the borders. I have no problems
Yeah.
because don't ask me about the who are you, why you come here. Don't ask. I speak Persian.
Nobody asked.
I speak Persian. Then he say, okay, you are Irani. So I am not. I'm from Pakistan, but I am living in Iran. Iran is my second country. So I am very happy here, and I'm with my family. This is my second country.
People are kind.
Yeah, people are.
Iran.
Yeah, very kind. You
To the
know.
foreign.
Yeah. It's my too many vloggers come from Pakistan. The people's give to him many things without money. If you come in Pakistan also,
Yeah.
they will give. I give to you many things with free. So people are always love. Love, just love.
Yeah, love the other country.
The love. If you come from other country in Iran, in Pakistan also, everything is free for you. Everything. People give to home. People give to food. People give to.
Iran just hate the government of Israel and US. You know that?
No, just government, not people.
People, we are kind, we are friendly.
Yeah. Alhamdulillah, his discussion is mashallah is
We
good.
nation.
Yeah.
We are not any problem.
Yeah, all the world. I think
All
the
the
people
world,
living.
yeah.
I think people living in the Israel also. They also go not for. They
But
also
they are
they don't want war.
Because
They also come to have peace. They will
Israel,
protest.
They are killing the kids and
In Palestine.
women. Yeah, Gaza.
In Gaza. I am with always Gaza. Inshallah, all Shia Muslims and the Sunni Muslims always with the Palestine and the Gaza people and the Rafah people always with we are with you. And if Palestinian people listen about this video, I am with you. Inshallah, always. Imam Hussein say, you always help the for Muslim. You are Muslim now. So I always with you. Inshallah, every Shia children and the young men and the old men come to
Iran.
inshallah.
Come to visit Iran and Shiraaz.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. I see the video. So I in the news of Faras and the Urdu, they will they bring videos about how do you come and they visit everywhere. You are welcoming too much. Iran is welcoming. In Pakistan also. And Pakistan, I have also too much students of Palestine.
Everything is
No.
cheap, in Iran.
Cheap. Yeah. I think about the
If
from
they spend money, Iran is very good to see.
for for visitor is cheap, but for we are living here, for us very expensive. But I'm a student, I have not too much scholarship, so for me it's expensive. But if you visit from the other country, it's very cheap for you. You have get anything in here very cheaply, very easily. Inshallah, it's my I make a video was like for 2 months, 2 minutes, but is my video is going to 19 minutes. So discussion is good, and alhamdulillah, very happy. I'm here. Come to inshallah. I'm next time if you come in home, I always for your khidmat. Inshallah in home.
Okay.
Inshallah, you come with family, and I'm here. Inshallah,
I'm coming right
inshallah.
as soon as possible.
Yeah, you come, inshallah.
To visit
Yeah,
as
inshallah.
soon
Bilkum. Yeah, mashallah. This is the.
Come to you.
Inshallah. Come
Say
to.
my address and phone number.
Yeah, I will give you everything, inshallah. You come. Not I'm just about talking in my video. I always say about the old people who will be other country, other city. They will come my home. I give my home, and you will be with family. No problem. Inshallah, I give my home. I give my all things to you. This all thing I have in my home is not my. This is for Adbi Fatima Masuma. I am the. I am the welcoming all the people who come from the other country, other city, other people.
We have 12 imams, The Shia has 12 Imams,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
leader, peace upon him.
Yeah, beshak, beshak,
All
beshak.
of them are the new of محمد صلی الله علیه و آله و سلم. همه فرزندان هستن حضرت رسول،
Beshak.
the great prophet.
Yeah, yeah. So we Shias peoples and the Muslim peoples all akhi. You know, akhi means like brothers. Imam Rahibare, Muazzam, Sayyid Ali Khamenei, Rahmatullah alayh, and they are always speaking about the Sunni people. Or
The Islam says,
Islam also say, yeah, Islam also say we are people, we are brothers.
yeah,
All Muslim are brothers.
brothers and son.
Yeah, but some people saying about, oh no, Shia is not your brother, they will fight for you. And the Sunni say about Sunni, some Sunni say, oh, we are, some people Shia say, not Shia say, it's not Shia. This the in the libas of Shia come in Shia and say, oh, Sunni are bad. And some people going in the Sunni and they say, oh, Shia is bad, but it's nothing. They, inshallah, now is the social media, though all people are same, all people are happy, all people with together.
One of the important of saying Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Prophet, peace upon him, says that all believers in Islam are brothers.
Yeah.
إن المؤمنون إخوة.
Ikhwa.
تمام.
Ikhwa means as brothers
brothers.
in
إخوة.
English. Yeah, ikhwa means. So, inshallah, we are all brothers and sisters. Don't hesitate with people talking about other peoples, and you will go every mosque in everywhere, in Sunni mosque, in Shia mosque, in Deobandi mosque, in the Al Hadith mosque. The all mosques are for Muslim. It's not for Shia, and we all, alhamdulillah, here in Iran. If you visit, if you anything are knowing about in Iran, I bring to you the informations and you how to get visa and how to get the tickets. I will be always with you, inshallah ta'ala. I'm back to the next video, inshallah. You will be subscribe my all channels in the YouTube, so YouTube and Instagram and Facebook and TikTok, and also you will be in my X, and also you follow my Ita Telegram. Many channels you get, inshallah. I will post it in the descriptions, inshallah. I will iltamas dua. Are you also going to say about iltamas dua for every people, inshallah ta'ala? We will meet soon, inshallah. Iltamas dua. Allah Hafiz.